We sincerely thank our Omani customers for choosing to purchase EA640F2 indoor LED display. With its excellent visual effects and advanced design concept, this product has become an ideal solution for indoor fixed installation front maintenance screens. EA640F2 adopts a front maintenance design, and the LED module, power supply, and receiving card are easy to maintain, which greatly reduces the difficulty and cost of later maintenance. Its high brightness, high contrast, and wide viewing angle characteristics ensure that clear and delicate picture effects can be presented in various light environments. Whether it is a commercial display, conference center, or stage background, EA640F2 can bring users a shocking visual experience.